Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. I know it's tough times for all of us right now. With all the uncertainty and the whole lockdown thing going on, I figured we all could use a cocktail at this point. And today we are making Long Island iced tea. Long Island iced tea is a very popular drink. It has been requested a while ago by two of my subscribers, Ludmila and Jay. This video is especially for you. And by the way, guys, right now is a good time for your requests. If you would like to hear your name in my next video, and if you would like me to make your favorite cocktail, all you have to do is just subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below. Anyways, Long Island iced tea is one of the strongest cocktails. If your typical cocktail is about 1.5–2 ounces of alcohol, your Long Island iced tea is 2.5 ounces. It's got 5 liquors in it: vodka, gin, rum, tequila, and triple sec. And I know if you're trying to become a bartender and learn all the recipes, it seems like it's too much to remember. And I'm going to tell you a little secret. All liquor that goes in the Long Island iced tea is going to be your first 5 bottles on your speed rack. Speed rack is a shelf below a bar next to your ice bin, where well liquor is stored to make quick cocktails. And usually it's set up in order: vodka, gin, rum, tequila, and triple sec. And without even thinking, you can just grab your first 5 bottles and make your Long Island iced tea. And remember, we are making fancy top shelf Long Island iced tea, so you're not going to find those guys on your speed rack. You have to look for them on your top shelf. Long Island iced tea is not stirred or shaken drink. We're going to build it in our Collins glass, and we're going to start with 1/2 ounce of vodka. We're using Ciroc, 1/2 ounce of gin, 1/2 ounce of Bacardi rum, your tequila, and 1/2 ounce of Grand Marnier. Remember, Grand Marnier is your top shelf orange liqueur. That would be your triple sec. 1/2 ounce as well. Now let's add some ice. And since we're not going to shake this cocktail, I like to use the large cubes. This way your drink is not going to water down easily. Let's fill it up with sweet and sour mix. We're going to use homemade sweet and sour mix. It's equal parts on lemon and lime juice in a simple syrup. And all we have to do is just top it off with Coke. And that's how you make your Long Island iced tea. Let's just garnish it with a lemon. And good way to remember what garnish goes with your Long Island iced tea, just think about it as a regular iced tea. And normally you would garnish it with a lemon, so is your Long Island. I hope you enjoyed my video. Stay safe, guys, and try not to worry about things you have no control over. Drink responsibly. I'll see you next time.